this lesson is in Marathi. Means that is actually this lesson is Marathi. Okay, that is the Bhed. Name of this lesson is in Marathi Bhed. That is translated by Lakshman Londe. Who translated Lakshman Londe. Now see student. Okay. With the tip of her nose pressed to the window of the space shuttle, Sally sat gazing at the view outside. For so long, still she didn't seem to be contented. She had read the description of this view several times before and had seen these scenes on the video too. But this was different. Reading the description was one thing, watching the pictures and videos captured by camera was another. But getting an opportunity to view that amazing panorama with your own eyes, being present physically right in the midst of it, was indeed an out of the world experience. No matter how long she sat gazing, her awe and wonder did not seem to abate. Now see student, you can see in this picture, here is one space shuttle. In this shuttle, the school trip is going on the moon. Student, that's author. Actually, author thought in future. Generally, where our school organize our trip, for example, in Lonavala, then anyone Shuneri Fort like that. Then we will meet some places there like some water park like this. But in future, the author the writer author thought. In future, after some years, our school will organize trip on the moon, and how will be that trip that he he has written in this lesson. Okay, student. Now see, student, here the space shuttle. In this shuttle, the schools all students are going to on a moon for their school trip. Okay, you can see in this space shuttle, you can see that Sally, how she is looking outside, gazing outside the beauty of our nature, sky. Okay, student, now see, with the tip of her nose pressed, she pressed her tip of nose to the window glass of that shuttle, and she gazing outside, sat gazing outside. Student, now see, space shuttle, a vehicle in which people can travel into space. Space shuttle means a vehicle in which people can travel in it. Okay, okay, where? In space. Okay, now next is that student. Okay. Still she did not seem to be contented. She had read the description. Students, when now she is actually seeing all the things that she had only seen, only read in a description, in a video, and in a, what do we say, watching in a pictures. Now, what is the time? She is watching that all the beauty, real, okay, of that sky. Okay. Now, see, student. Okay. Then, it was the out of the world experience, and she said to us, and when I am looking at all the panorama only seeing in video, in picture, that all things are another, and now she is looking that things is the other. Now she is enjoying the beauty of that sky. What she thought about that. Okay, now she is saying to us student, it is the out of the world experience. Okay, yes, okay. Then, no matter how long she sat gazing, her wow and wonder did not seem to abate. Now, how no matter means how may she sat gazing long time. Okay, and she did not seem to abate. Abate means student become less. Means she did not tired while Missy is enjoying the beauty of that nature while sitting in this space shuttle. Okay, yes, abate means tired, yeah, very become less. Okay, now see student, the earth gradually appeared to get smaller and smaller in the sky. The azure blue sky was now looking jet black. The clouds had disappeared. The stars were shining bright. Now see student, that shuttle, space shuttle now moving towards the moon, and because of that, what happened? That are looking smaller and smaller. Okay. The azure blue sky. Azure means student bright blue. Okay. The bright blue sky was now looking jet black. Now sky is looking like a jet black. Okay. The clouds had disappeared. The stars were shining bright. Student, if you see from the earth upside, in the sky we can what see? We can see in a day there are some clouds. Means sky is covered with the clouds. Sun also we can see, some birds we can see, but now see, when that side is that shuttle space going upside, that time the cloud disappear now, and that stars are shining bright. Okay, they are looking very brightly. Got it student? Okay. Now next, this trip to the moon was the exorbitantly expensive, but still Sayari's mother had seen her on the trip. In our childhood, we could not even think of such long distance trips. The longest trip meant going to Europe. If you are getting this opportunity, make the most of it, said Mummy. Oh Mummy, Neha's grandmother was saying that in their childhood, the longest trip for school children used to be only up to Delhi or Kolkata. It seems so funny, isn't it? Said Saili laughing. Remembering the incident made her laugh even now. Now see student, this trip to the moon, it was the exorbitantly means excessively. Okay, excessively means that the trip on the moon was very expensively, not cheap. Okay, if you think about that Delhi and other countries trip, that time we can pay there about the 15,000. Okay, but if we want to travel by space shuttle, that was very expensive for us. Okay, but Saili's mother gave her permission. She thought that in our childhood we did not think about such as the longest distance. We only could going to the Europe, means other country. We can in our childhood we could go till to the Europe like that. But if you are getting a good opportunity, okay, make the most of it, said Mummy. And the longest trip for our school is still to the Delhi or Kolkata. And it seems so funny. Now Saili want to go on a moon, okay? But when she remembers about the Neha's grandmother, what she told her in our childhood, the longest trip it was the Delhi or Kolkata. It seems so funny, and she remembered. When she remembered this, she started laughing. Okay, okay. Now, see, student. Okay, we have seen till two. Now, out of the world. Out of the world, student. Here is meaning given. Here the expression has dual meaning. It means not found on the earth and also extraordinary. And student, now see, that is a thing and answer. In what time periods is the story take place? Okay. In which period, student? Student, answer is 100 years after from today. Okay? Okay? 100 years after today. After